Unless you know the tradition and the story behind it, you cannot innovate. So never let anyone tell you that innovating tradition is forgetting it.
My name is Fatmata Binta. I'm a chef from Sierra Leone, based in Ghana. I am passionate about African gastronomy. I love telling stories through food. Also championing underutilized ingredients in Africa, especially Fonio. It's a drought-resistant grain. It's indigenous to West Africa. It's gluten-free. It grows very fast, so its lifespan is between 8 to 12 weeks. And it's a grain that also cooks very fast, so under 5 minutes. Today I presented a dish and I made a simple fonio salad with mango, cashew nuts, a dressing that we use honey, and then some herbs. And I love the reaction and the appreciation that came after.
I'm like, this is the recipe, create it.
My motivation for fonio comes from growing up eating fonio, but also there was a very important phase in my life that actually, I would say, influences the way I show up as a chef and my work, because I grew up in Sierra Leone, where I experienced civil war, and my family is from Guinea-Conakry, so we had to flee to my ancestral home. And I come from a very large family. I'm talking about over 1,000 first cousins. And we had to flee to this small village that could accommodate like only 200 people. The food that was available there couldn't sustain us. So we had to come up with sustainable ways to feed the family. So my grandmother started growing fonio because it goes very fast. It's gluten-free, it's drought-resistant, it's easy to grow. It was the easiest way for us to focus on that and add it to our diet, because it's a very, drought-resistant grain. So for me, I have a personal connection to fonio. They call it differently. Some call it acha, some call it fonye. Some call it even folio. Some say funde. So it has different names depending on the ethnic group. It also has other English names. They call it hungry rice also, because fonio is very filling. You eat small, you're so full, so they call it hungry rice.